you doing, guys? It's Zero to Millionaire. Thank you. Let's get into the video. We're going to talk about Robinhood because in Hustle University I also do trades. If you're in Robinhood, work to transition out of Robinhood. There's a lot of difficulties with Robinhood, especially when everybody knows what happened with Robinhood and whatnot, and it's convenient. I gotta admit, I use Robinhood. I just got off it like last week. Moved all my stuff to Webull. But if you have a Robinhood account and would keep using it, I understand. If you're used to it, I understand. But if I was you, I would switch over to another account. Me personally, I use Webull. But try your best to transition to another account, because with everything that happened, Robinhood, siding with corporations. So if you put in an option, if you try to buy some stock, it wouldn't let you buy stock. Basically saying they don't want you to make money. Basically saying that they don't want you to win. That's what Robinhood is basically saying. They don't want you to win. They don't want you to make money. And when they did that act of treason, it basically was a spit into the shareholders, it was a spit into the users, the people who use that interface, the people that use that app. It was literally spitting in their faces. They put their hard-earned money in the app and they spit in their faces. No, you cannot make money in these trades. No, you cannot invest in this company. So when they did that, personally, I knew I was done. The person, I was like, I'm done with Robinhood. I'm not going to use Robinhood anymore. I said I was never going to use that. I'm transitioning out to another app. So when I started doing trading again, do Hustle University, I told myself I'm going to transition out to another service platform, which I have done. So I recommend that anybody who's over here or anybody who watches this video who does trading, I really recommend Webull. They send weekly notifications on the stock market. The interface, I like the interface. I feel like the interface is a little bit more easy, a little bit more organized for me personally. Excuse me, oh God. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning, guys, over here in Atlanta. It's 5:30, as you can see, so I'm a little bit tired. But just know that if you're in Robinhood, work to transition out. As I said again, for me, I was using it, but I always knew I need to get out of this app, because if it happened one time, it happened again. And we want to mitigate that happening. You don't want a company or use an interface that you could make, 20, not even 20%, let's say 10, 20x your money. And they wouldn't let you because they don't want you to win. They siding with these corporations and they don't want you to literally make gains. They don't want you to make financial gains. So anybody who's against you, anybody who's against your well-being and your wealth, just know that you need to get rid of them. I'm practicing also in my life. Somebody's against you building wealth. Somebody's against you making money. Work on, I don't cut you off forever, but work on pushing them away from life. Work on that. So me, I canceled. I'm done with Robinhood. I switched over my accounts to Webull. You will still use Robinhood, more power to you, but my recommendation is, work on transitioning out. That's my recommendation. Work on transitioning out of Robinhood. For this reason I stated before, what they did during the pandemic, they restricted users from buying stock, from trading stocks, from trading options and futures into stocks and certain stocks. They stopped that to try to prevent, these group of people are making money. They're beating the hedge funds, they're beating Wall Street. We cannot allow this to happen. And they sided with Wall Street. They didn't side with the common man. That reason alone, you should get off Robinhood. And me personally, I said again before, there's a delay in Robinhood most of the time. So when you buy a trade, let's say $24, it probably was at 23 or 22. If you buy stock for, let's say you buy Energy Transfer for $5, let's say $10, easy, man, $10. But it actually was $8. So you bought an overpriced stock, although on Robinhood it says 10, but it's actually 8 in the real market. Things like that happen in Robinhood. So my recommendation for you guys, get out of Robinhood as soon as possible. Go to other venues, any other trade apps. There's E-Trade, there's Ameritrade, there's I'm using Webull. There's a damn, how did I forget the other one? I forgot the other one. Damn, I forgot the other one. But I'll make a whole video about this. This is the beginning, guys. I just want to let you guys know. I'm gonna keep giving you guys updates. I'm not using Robinhood anymore. If you still want to use Robinhood or you're looking to get in Robinhood, you can still use it. I'm not using it for more, and I wouldn't recommend that anybody use Robinhood. But switch over accounts if you have to, guys. There's a Webull account. If you want to use the link, I have a link. You'll see a link in the description box below if you're interested in joining my link. If you're not, you can just search up Webull and just sign on. If you go through my link, you get 2 or 3 free stocks that's valued from like $5 to $1,000, something like that. So you get free stocks when you deposit money in. But as I said again before, guys, do what's best for you. Don't fall on the agenda of corporate greed, where they're trying to take money from a person like you, a hardworking person like you, and knowing that you're going to get rich. Like, no, we cannot allow this to happen. We cannot allow you to beat Wall Street. And that's what Robinhood did. They committed a sin that I did not forget. Although I was using the app just out of convenience, I did not forget the agreements they did to me and also to the people that use their app. To use their app to trade and make money, and not to make money to invest for the future. I did not forget that. So that's why I switched over from Robinhood to another platform. And I suggest that you guys do the same. There's a Ameritrade, do your research on it. Do your research before you switch over. But you could switch over, you could transfer your account, your Robinhood account, to most of these other accounts. You could transfer your Robinhood account to most of these other accounts. It's simple, it's easy. I'm gonna post more tutorials about that on YouTube, and post links about that on YouTube. Thank you very much. It's 0 to Millionaire. I hope you guys are doing well in your financial journey. I'm also working on my financial journey. Hope you guys get bigger, better, stronger in every aspect of your life. In every aspect, I hope you guys get bigger, better, stronger. Click the links down below. You're going to see my Instagrams, my social media platforms that you could also follow me on. Comment, like, subscribe. I'm trying my best to provide you guys with good content. I'm busy most of the time, so sometimes I'm all over the place, but I try my best to provide you guys with good content. Thank you very much. 0 to Millionaire, Daniel out.